location from Nassau, Bahamas, it's the SmallCapPower Expert Interview.
I'm joined by Bruce Campbell with StoneCastle Investment Management. Bruce, thank you so much for joining us.
You're welcome. Yeah, glad to be here.
And what excites you most about the President's Club Small Cap Conference?
Well, meeting with the different CEOs from several different companies. We had a full set of meetings yesterday, and we're doing some more today. And really digging into their businesses and finding out where their growth is and some interesting businesses that they have.
Give us the short summary of your speech today.
Well, I was really talking about the opportunity that lies ahead in the next 10 years in the marijuana industry. So we've gone from being a medical marijuana system to now the speculation is that we're going to have a recreational marijuana system in Canada.
And what are the growth potentials in the next 10 years?
Well, the market right now is 70 million, or estimated at about 70 million, and Health Canada is estimating that the medical market could be 1.4 billion, and the recreational market could be as high as 6.5 billion. That's not Health Canada's assessment, but that's some of the analysts on the street.
With that projection, what are the challenges that you have to work through to make that actually something that's a reality?
Well, obviously one of the issues is going to be the supply for all that demand. So Health Canada is going to have to figure out a way around that if they recreationalize it. And then obviously looking at it from a stocks perspective, really trying to figure out who's making money and who has the ability to continue to make money. There's probably going to be a lot of acquisitions.
Do you have a market outlook that you can give us?
Well, right now we've obviously gone through a bit of a correction, and that's going to take a little time to heal. So the small cap area has actually been beaten up pretty good. So I would imagine that going into year end, we're going to see a bit of tax loss selling, and then after that, there's probably going to be some tremendous opportunities going into the new year with some of these companies that have been beat up so bad.
And for our audience, do you have any top picks that you can mention to us today?
Well, we still really like the healthcare sector. Our fairly attractive one is patient home monitoring, which has been beaten up quite significantly since the summertime. Their business continues to grow, leaps and bounds, and valuation is super cheap, so that would be one. And then the other that's a little bit larger is Concordia Healthcare, which as well has been beaten up. But again, they just made this acquisition. They're growing and super cheap.
Awesome. And why is it that you're so interested in the healthcare sector?
Well, from a long-term demographic standpoint, that's going to be a growth industry for the next 15 years probably or longer. And, if you really look for earnings estimates right now, that's one of the only sectors where earning estimates continue to be going up in aggregate.
Thank you so much for that.
Oh, you're very welcome.
Reporting from the President's Club Small Cap Conference, I'm Rachel Lee for SmallCapPower.
Be sure to see more conference interviews on smallcappower.com/videos.